What's up everybody, Rishi here, and in this video we will learn about optimizing our descriptions. There are a few important things when optimizing our descriptions that we need to keep in mind. The description should be long enough. This is important because having a long description will give us an advantage over our competitors and can help us with our rankings. Our descriptions need not be well written because people will not read them. It is basically only for search engine optimization. And this description, I wrote it in almost 15 minutes and I'll show you how. Every description is broken down into 3 sections: a beginning, a middle and an end. Firstly, our first sentence should ideally include our keyword again, and this could be followed by a link. Now I started with the link first and then I wrote the keyword. Many people will start with the keyword first and then they will add the HTTP link. This is also fine and can improve our click-through rate because people will read our description while searching in Google, and if it is very enticing they will click through. It is also important that our clickable link begins with HTTP or else it will not be clickable. Now in order to get content for the description, we will have to do some cheating. I used some content from Ezine articles. Like I went to Ezine articles and I searched for First Choice Capital Resources review. I took a few bits and pieces of this content. I also went to my offer, website of the offer, and I took some content from this website as well. So from the frequently asked questions section. So I mixed both these contents and put it into a free software called Free Best Spinner. I have included a download link for the same below this video. So all you have to do is take all this content and take the content from Ezine articles. So if you remove this question part, answer, and you just edit the document a little bit, and you take some content from Ezine articles, and you can even reshuffle the paragraphs if you want, and if you click spin, so you can get unique articles like this. Then what you have to do is you need to also sprinkle your main keywords and related keywords within the article. At least 3 to 4 times in the description you have to use it. For example, I have used it here, First Choice Capital Resources, and I used it at a few places again. Here again, First Choice Capital Resources, First Choice Capital Resources. So sprinkle your main keywords throughout the description, as well as you need to add some secondary keywords or related keywords, or what is also known as LSI keywords. In order to get the related keywords, you have to go to Google AdWords keyword tool and you have to search for your main keyword again, like the product name keyword. And here we can see all these are related keywords like fast payday loan, instant payday loan. So you can sprinkle, like say, around 7 to 8 related keywords in the description. So I have used here in a few places like fast payday loans, instant loans. So this is how you write the description for your video. Finally, towards the end of the description, we need to add a link back to our YouTube video. We need to add this link back here. The reason being that if you have ever done article marketing, you know that people will always scrape our articles, and if we include a link towards the end of our articles, we will get a backlink. The same thing applies to videos as well. If people will scrape our videos, they will be creating backlinks to our YouTube videos, which should help with our rankings. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.